Where we at? What we doing?
We're buying drift car.
Is this a good idea?
Drift.
Is this a good idea?
Very good.
I don't think it's a good idea. Just leave that on.
Once the oil pressure gets built up, maybe it goes away.
It's not overheating yet.
Yet. Is it even half heat? It's probably got fucking air in the cooling system.
It's probably got air in the head gasket.
Yeah, when he said, "Oh, it leaks out of the cab." Come, almost said something. Then, right when he was talking about that coolant cap, I was like, ugh, I don't know about this.
The shifter's so short.
Looks like my penis.
Look at the throat.
Drive it for a while, make sure it don't ring.
I would love for the heat to work.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, but there's air in the system. I wonder when I'll start overheating. It'll be soon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no speedo. Oh, so the odometer doesn't work either, so it's probably got more mileage. Okay, it's at 31.
Smell that oil.
Look at that! Christmas! Christmas tree! Running. It's colder than fuck in here. At least have heat seat. Yeah, where's that? Come on, it's a fucking BMW. It's gotta have heated seats.
Fucking 2000.
So? Doesn't your Jetta have it? Yeah. Yours are Jetta. 06. Oh. Damn, look at that! Ooh! Yeah, turn this bitch on. What are you doing here? What's that clunking back there? Dude, there's a child in the trunk! Music. Why does it sound like a Triumph?
Don't ever disrespect my Triumph like that again, bitch.
Damn, you can watch YouTube on here? You hit up the hub? Where's the fucking... Oh, there it is.
Not overheating.
Blind. For now. It's okay, you'll have a hydro. Boom, boom, boom.
I mean, the clutch has the full pedal travel. It's just a really soft.
Yeah.
What gear line is that? Fourth?
Radio work.
So fifth gear?
It works.
It, no slippage? Fired?
Yes, yes.
Fourth?
Here, do the old Kyler synchro test.
Business.
No. That.
You pick up no radio stations? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, it's getting hot.
Is it? Hell yeah.
Shut it off?
No, keep driving. It's not your car.
Okay, it's going down. Oh, it went down. Heat's not working.
Just pull the clutch and just rev it up. Hold it at like 3.
No? Why?
To try and get all that air out of the system.
That makes it hotter.
Doesn't it? Actually, let's pull over and see if we can get some air out. Here, drift it. Dump the clutch. Dump the clutch.
No, bro.
If it breaks on test drive, then you know it's not good. Ooh,
I don't want to get in trouble.
smell like oil.
Yeah.
For a 2000 though, this interior is actually kind of nice.
Yeah. Fucking year I'm in, bro. Who's back here?
Who's knocking? Oh God!
Who is it?
Your car's telling you knock jokes.
We did not buy the car. Overheating, no fans. Not very running. Gotta find another one though. Drift event this Saturday and I gotta go there. What do you have planned for us, sir?
Sorry.
Make sure there's no what? You hold on back here, damn it!
Look, everyone's already been here.
Yeah, this is the spot.
Make sure there's no like big. Yeah, I gotta watch out for that hole.
blocks? What? C6 blocks?
Why is this in Celsius?
Hey, I don't think you're allowed to be here, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Oh, Ligma.
Can you get out of here, please? God, these guys are the worst. They just come in and they tear out the parking lot. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, no. Oh, look.
Oh, okay. God damn it, it's scaring me.
Rock on, brother!
Indy 500s fucking suck.
It's so hot. Oh, what are you doing, bro? Fucking retard. What's up? You're literally facing the highway. Corvette. Why does it look like an S10 in here?
It's the same fucking thing.
Do you know how to turn right?
Fucking stick. Is that glass?
I don't know, let me look.
Oh, that is. No, they're rocks.
I don't know. What are you gonna do, pop your tire that's already fucked?
It just freaks me out going that way.
It's just
Weird, you know?
You're doing good. Gunner, where we at? What we doing?
Somewhere near Anderson looking at shit boxes.
We're kind of in the ghetto because the first Beamer that me and Braxy Box went and looked at a couple days ago was a little butt ass. It was overheating really bad. I didn't think I'd make the way home, but now we're in Anderson looking at something that's almost too good to be true. He says it has 65K miles, but it's having 200K mile problems. I guess we're gonna fucking find out. What you seeing? What you looking for?
Just looking. I want to open the fucking coolant reservoir, but it's probably gonna explode in my face. I already sniffed in there.
Just looking there. Is it white?
No, I didn't see any milk.
Looks good then. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't overheating sitting here, so.
Yeah. And strut tops are pretty torn, but I mean.
Comes with a wiener on it, bro. Is this what you were talking about? The hole? Make a hole in there and.
That might be why they did that. Try to get it popped. No, it looks like some idiot.
Here she is. I don't know what year it is, but it's a 323. Best part, no rust and only 65K. I can't wait to total this turd. I'm going to buy a moped because Groms don't count. Sheesh! Wish the windshield wasn't so dirty. That hog's clean. Right on. That's what's up, bro. We're gonna have to go to Chicago next year.
Yeah, dude, I go to Chicago all the time.
I don't even think this can. Bro. That's silly. Do you not just want to unbolt it? Just unbolt it.
Try, but I don't think it's really gonna work.
Then you could pull this down.
It might slide down. I think there's a locating tab on the body.
Huh.
We're gonna find out, I guess.
Yes, we are. Hold.
It's squirting that shit.
Again?
Oh yeah?
Fucking violent.
Really squirting that shit.
It's coming out like you from the closet. Again?
Oh.
There's no more care. The fluid color is absolutely fucking repulsive. But we're not here to flush the brakes. We're here to have brakes, right?
Yeah, bro. How do you flush it, like a toilet?
Just fucking hook up the vacuum bleeder or in the back, whatever works.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to beep that one out. How much are you charging an hour?
$1 million.
Was it worth it?
What are you doing that for? Get as much slag out as I can before we just run it.
Running. Had to get rid of that muffler. What's the fun in having a car if it's not loud? Damn, look at them veins. Man, this guy must be packing.
God damn it.
Whoever designed these wonderful cars thought it'd be a good idea to make it to where the doors lock and they don't open from the inside or the outside. My trunk. If you look real close, he's welding the rollbar in.
Fucking let's see how sturdy she is.
Sheesh. That's on there.
100% on there.
You did a good job.
Thanks, bud.
You should open up a fab shop.
I don't know about all that.
In the slides? What?